I know another request I had was if you could talk a bit about distributors and locking them out, kind of the difference between a not locked out versus a locked out, how
Yeah.
to lock them out, and why you lock them out, like the whole lockout thing.
Well, I mean, it depends on the distributor, obviously, but like one of the main things, like if it's a dirt car, do not have an advanced curve in that thing. I mean, it needs to be locked out no matter what.
Well, what is an advanced curve? I mean, let's go to the very, very basics.
The very, very basics. You got the. Now I'm gonna like use my hands here.
That's fine.
So
and I will describe your hands.
So you got the distributor. You got weights with springs attached to them. I mean, I'm dumbing this down, but you got weights with springs attached to them. So if you're at, let's say, if you're got the timing light on a engine at 1,000 RPM, you might have 15 degrees of timing. But if you wind it up to, let's say, 4,000, then those springs and those weights swing out and it advances the timing to where like you got a total timing of, let's say, 34 degrees. Okay. But at 1,000 RPM or 1,500 RPM, you might have like 15 or 20 degrees.
Okay.
Right.
So is this kind of like the carnival ride with the swings that are swinging around?
It's the same principle. I mean, it's
like centrifugal force.
Centrifugal force, exactly. So, which is really old school technology, but I mean, that's what we have to deal with what we're racing with here. But at any rate, any dirt car, you absolutely need to have that distributor locked out if per your rules it's legal. There are some series where it's not.
Well, locking it out though. So that was the advanced curve piece, but we don't want to have
locked out means like if you're timing it at 1,000 RPM, it's at 32 or 34 degrees, whatever.
Okay.
And then if it's at 4,000, it's at 32 or 34 degrees.
Great.
Right.
Great.
So that's what I recommend on dirt. Asphalt can be a little bit different scenario because a lot of times people use the advanced curve to not build the torque so instantly to where you're not blowing the tires off the car as you're getting off the corner.
Great. And then with locking them out, there's a few kits out there where you can
like the HEI stuff, like you sell one.
Yeah, I'm out of them right now, but I
sell one. Like you sell a kit that actually phases the distributor correctly and it locks it out and all that stuff. That's a great kit to use. For
HEIs. And then I think MSD has one for some of their other ones.
But then you can also buy them locked out.
Yeah, and that's what we sell the most of.
Or unlocked, whatever. I mean, there's what is the 85505?
Yeah, the 85505 is the black version, and then 85501
it's unlocked.
Oh, it is, but it
from
has
the factory. If that's
is it the one that's black?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the 855.
Well, I think it's the 85501 then. We'll have to take a look at them.
I don't remember the part numbers off the top of my head, but it's like one of the two of those. Like it comes with an advanced curve in it.
Okay.
But then you can also take all that out and pop the gear off, lift the shaft up, swap it around, and it'll lock out itself.
Does it have instructions in the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it says, and both of those it actually says something about the lockout thing.
Yeah.
But then there's the 85551, which is a little bit different. It's a red one. And,
you got the 85555, and
I don't.
Yeah, there's several. There's several of them out there, but I mean, you'd have to look it up. But
right, no. I mean, it'd be great to do that.